SNES. Hopefully don't get demonetized because the techno. Got some more stuff done. We're launching folding.ai. Proviz, and this is our app here. And we have attention. This is what does everything. Maybe we'll just turn off the techno for a little bit. So this is our application that runs Proviz. And it works here with Flask. So we're using Mo, the molecular operating environment from CCG. And here we're getting the request, and then we're just sending to get attention data. And get attention data does all the hard work. We just basically simplified the Salesforce Proviz repository. The code here. This is the Bertology meets biology paper, and they have code here. It's all in an IPython notebook. So I basically just took that and then took out the stuff we don't need because it's Mo, because we can do things on the Mo side, just simplified stuff, and ended up with this. It's really simple. We're using this protein BERT model from BERT base. And we get a tokenizer, which is the tape tokenizer. So that's the tape repo. This is tape. This is where all this comes from. These are these pre-trained protein embeddings that we're using for our code here. And that's this tape tokenizer here. And then we encode the tokens that we get, and that's just the amino acids, into a list. And then we use Torch, and we use Tensor with those token indices, whatever that does. And then Torch with Nograd, whatever that does. So I think this does everything here. I think this is like all the work here. And then we just output those attentions down here. And we just loop over all the residues and output the attention from each to each in like a square matrix, only if it's above a certain minimum attention, which we currently have a 0, which they don't have a 0. In here, they have the attention as 0.1 in their Python notebook. So it's about as simple as you could imagine a server could be. It's all done by tape, and it's because we're using Python we can get all this. I'm just getting this running in AWS. And so that's the task for coming up, is get this running in AWS. We got it on an EC2 instance and just ran it, and that worked. And now I guess we want to get it going on like something more stable, I guess. And then with like monitoring, I guess monitoring is most important. Get something MVP and then get monitoring. I guess we should be doing this in the to-do. Okay. Let's just make a task for this one. Things to do. Get it going in ECS. We've just chosen ECS. There's other options. Get MVP going. And it doesn't have to be a service. We just have to have metrics. Get metrics and monitoring going for Roviz. Some monitoring going. Right. Get code actually working. And then write code in Mo for this. Take the code. Get it going on BB. Get BB. Okay. Well, thanks for watching the stream. A bunch of different things. Let me know how you like it. Day to day, 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 day. Should have a